Hello. And now we are ready for our last step, and that is eyelashes. Let me talk about fifth grade eyelashes. You probably did a lovely little eyeball like that, shaded it in, and you probably did your eyelashes like this, or maybe you curled them out like that, because you want to be fancy. But what I want you to do right now is look in the mirror. Yes, right now, look in the mirror. And I'm asking you, where do your eyelashes grow out of on your lash line? So look back at the video. Do they grow out like that from the outside of that lash line? Or do they grow from the inside and curl around? Look in the mirror. Got the answer? So they curl around. And that's what's going to give you a more realistic look. When you come over here, you're going to go a little weirder and kind of like fifth grade-y, and then really light when you get here. We're not going to put any lashes on the bottom. You don't need to. You will look like you with just the top, so keep it easy. So when you look in the mirror, I don't expect you to put in every little eyelash. I want you to look at the major ones. Hers are kind of hard to see, but if you look right here, there's like a big noticeable chunk, and it goes and ends at the edge of the crease. It goes, that far out. It goes over the crease. So I'm going to put that in. Here is a little harder, but I'm curling them around even if I barely see them. When you put in your lash lines, you want to just get what you generally see. You don't have to get every little one. Like for me, mine always clump in one area. Get the clump, but you don't have to count 4 eyelashes in the clump. Just get a general sense. If you still notice things in the white spaces, feel free to adjust. And you have a finished eyeball. Congratulations.